Yeah, the pizza will be done in 5 seconds.
Sweet, dude. Can't wait.
Yeah, pretty good. I got them from Mingles.
Cool, man.
Best pizza in the world.
What the? It doesn't.
Whirly. What the fuck? Whirly. Why didn't you cook my food? Still frozen.
Oh, I didn't feel like it.
Alright, come on, dude. Will you cook it now? What the fuck? Whirly, why won't you cook my food? Wait. Fucking microwave.
Come on, Whirly. What's up?
Whirly. God.
Whirly, what if I started? Will you cook it then?
What? No.
What the hell? Just try it again.
Whirly,
Try it again.
why are you refusing to cook our food?
Try it again. Come on, Whirly. You can do it this time.
Whirly, will you do it this time? What the fuck?
Did you say no again? Son of a bitch.
That's terrible.
Whirly, what's your problem, man? Seriously.
A whirl.
Whirly, do you have a problem?
It seriously has a...
Do you got a problem with us, Whirly? Huh? Yeah, Whirly, what's up?
Okay, I'll cook your food, Dad.
Alright.
I showed that microwave. It's a boss.
And that's Whirly, our very strange microwave.